hi again everyone, it's Chris from the podcast studio and Podlings. Great to see you again. Now, this time I want to talk to you about a simple but powerful shift that schools all over the country are starting to make. Here's a question for you. Do you ever feel like your school newsletters just aren't reaching parents anymore? And I don't mean that they're not receiving them. What I mean is they're not engaging with them. They're not reading them. They're not understanding what's in the content. For years, we've used newsletters as the main way that schools try to keep parents and the community informed. But let's be honest, most parents are busy, and newsletters, well, they often go unread. Governors, who should know better, might only skim the highlights, and grandparents, or the wider community, rarely get to see the great things that happen in school. Now imagine, instead of a newsletter being lost in an inbox, parents open YouTube or Spotify and hear their own children's voices. Parents are already on YouTube every day, so why don't we meet them where they already are? Imagine a pupil explaining a class project, sharing news of a school trip, or interviewing a local hero, and that episode being available not just for parents, but for governors, grandparents, and the wider community too. And that's exactly what Podlings is all about. We provide schools with a safe, done-for-you system where pupils plan and record podcasts. Benefits to teachers are that they get curriculum-linked support, particularly around Year 4 learning outcomes, and our team, who are all DBS checked by the way, handle the editing, the production and the publishing. Your episodes can go directly to YouTube, Spotify and Class Dojo, so families can watch or listen whenever it suits them. This way, governors get real insight into pupil voice, and the local community gets to feel connected to what's happening inside the school. And as for Ofsted, well, don't get me started, but each episode becomes clear, accessible evidence of speaking and listening progress, digital literacy, and genuine pupil engagement. And the best part is that all of this podcasting comes stress-free for teachers. There's no extra workload and no need to become a tech expert as we guide the process from start to finish. So, through Podlings, pupils get the thrill of seeing and hearing their work go out in the world. Parents feel more involved, communities feel more connected, and schools gain a modern, professional way to showcase their achievements. Now, if you'd like to see how Podlings could work for your school, I'd love to invite you to book a free 15-minute discovery call with me. I'll show you exactly how Podlings can take you from newsletters to YouTube success while making your school sound brilliant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Oh, and don't forget, book your free discovery call today. See you later. Bye!